Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at the top benefits of affiliate marketing. What are they, why is it getting so popular these days, and whether you should actually get involved into it. Alright, now as you can probably imagine, there are all sorts of benefits we could come up with. Therefore we are just going to stick with the top 5 of them. Alright, and we're going to dive deep into them. So as you can see, the whiteboard is already halfway prepared, so let's get straight into it. So what is the benefit number 1? Well, when I was starting out, I was coming from the environment of selling physical products online, Amazon, eBay and all of these sorts. So, I was looking for something that is very simple in its essence, something that is not rocket science, that I don't need to, literally learn something huge, okay? But something that is fairly simple and you could pretty much explain it to a baby, literally, right? And that's exactly what affiliate marketing is. In a nutshell, you register for the affiliate product or the affiliate network, you generate your affiliate link, which is unique just for you, nobody else has the same link, and then you just drive people to this link. Once they buy the product from your link, you get your commission automatically, right? So it's very, very simple in its essence. So benefit number 1 is simple, okay? The business model is very simple. Now don't confuse this with being easy, okay? You still need to put in the effort and time into it, but it is very simple. You don't need to, literally it's not a rocket science. It's very simple in its essence, okay? Now, what is the benefit number 2? The benefit number 2 is or are high commissions, okay? In affiliate marketing, there are really some products have really high commissions. So what are these commissions all about? Let me just write it over here. High commission. So in affiliate marketing, especially with digital products, the commissions are ranging average between 30 to 50%, but you can find lots of products that are offering even more, above 50% commissions, up to 100% of a selling price, okay? Which therefore means that you could literally end up selling just few products and you can have a really good payout from them, okay? So that's really, really huge. There are people who are, especially with high ticket affiliate marketing, they are selling maybe 1 or 2 products a month and they are earning 5,000, 5K a month or even 10K a month from it, all right? So this is really huge with affiliate marketing, especially with digital products, not so much with physical products at all, okay? So that's number 2. Let's go into our third benefit. So back to my story a little bit. When I came out and pretty much found affiliate marketing, what really astonished me was apart from the simplicity of it, was the benefits and the opportunities it actually allowed me to do. I was looking for something that I don't need to be in front of it every single day, 8 hours or 10 hours a day, right? And that's exactly what affiliate marketing allows you to do, because most of the processes that kind of like generate your income, right, the back end stuff, so-called, all right, is actually automated, all right? 90% of all the processes in affiliate marketing almost are automated, which is just huge when you think about it. That you don't have to do it by yourself, but rather they are done by tools that you are using, and they are kind of like working for you like a 24/7 employees, all right? So benefit number 3 is automation, okay? Automation. Just think about, for example, this YouTube video, I recorded it whichever day it is today, right? But then it's going to be on YouTube for the next year, 2 years, 3 years, God knows how long, right? So therefore it's going to work for me every single day for the next 2-3 years, okay? So that's just some kind of an example of the automation, right? Now, what is the benefit number 4? Now, I think this is pretty much very huge for everybody, and that was exactly for me. The biggest advantage is that it is pretty much location free, right? The only thing you need to have is a stable internet connection. everything is online. You don't have to, you know, sit anywhere in a physical place. You can literally work and do your things from a beach, you know, you can do it from your house, you can do it from your family garden, you can do it from wherever you want. And that's huge, especially, you know, for people in today's world when, you know, the travel is many times, you know, problem to travel. So having a business that you can not only work from home but from anywhere in the world, you know, is as a huge advantage. So number 4 is location free. Location free, right? So that's number 4. So what is the number 5? What is the 5th benefit of affiliate marketing? Now, when you think about this about business, you know, most of the businesses, when you get into big numbers, you know, big turnovers and all of that, you need more people in your business, right, to handle it. Otherwise, you're not gonna grow as a company, as a business. You know, that's exactly with selling online things. You know, eBay, Amazon. You know, if you're going to go into the hundreds of thousands or in the turnovers or millions, right? You will need more people to handle it, you know, to ship the product and all of that things. And that's exactly why affiliate marketing is so amazing. You don't need any of that, right? You can scale it up to big numbers just by yourself using online tools which are working for you 24/7. Right, that is actually really amazing. You know, that was something, again, for me, huge benefit for affiliate marketing, and I bet that this is a huge benefit for many of you guys watching this. All right, so pretty much you can scale it up to big numbers by yourself. You know, scale up by yourself. Okay, by yourself. All right, now. So guys, these are the top 5 benefits of affiliate marketing. Here they are laid out. Hopefully it's readable for you. Excuse my handwriting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get some aha moments. I hope you liked it. If so, let me know in the comments below. Alright, give me thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know in the comments section below also what you think about it, which one or which other benefits, you know, are big for you, you know, for you personally. All right, I would love to engage with you about this topic because it's huge. I love this, you know. So let me know in the comment section below. And listen, if you guys are interested in affiliate marketing, if you, after watching this video, you realize that, okay, this is something I want to actually be involved in, this is something I want to learn, I want to start and build my own business around this, then I have a 4-day video series where I explain in great detail every single day how to build affiliate marketing business from A to Z, literally a blueprint for you if you want so, right? How to build a profitable business that brings in consistent sales, right? So if you're interested in that, it's completely free. You get full access to it. Just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. I will see you in the next videos, and by then, have a great rest of the day. Bye guys.